By default, JCL files are treated as plain text by VS Code. Any file that contains a job card or that uses the extension .jcl or .cntl may be recognized as a JCL file. The JCL Language Support Extension for Code for Z is installed in this instance, but disabled to show the default text treatment. Once enabled, the JCL language will be supported. The extension leverages the language server protocol to provide snippets, syntax highlighting, and coloring. You can also use supplied links to navigate to PDS members. Note that this link function is only available in conjunction with the Zowe Explorer extension. Integrate this extension with Zowe Explorer and set up a Zowe profile to enable hyperlinks to PDS members and USS files in your JCL code. You can also use Zowe Explorer to submit jobs and to access your mainframe datasets containing JCL directly from VS Code. If you use JCL check workload automation, we recommend installing the JCL check extension for VS Code. The JCL check extension enables you to generate reports in VS Code through the JCL check REST API. Learn more and download the extension today. To explore Code for Z further, visit codeforz.broadcom.com.